I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures.
5.5 weeks, and I can't go that long.
Right.
I mean, a month is like pushing it, if you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
So I like to go like every 3 weeks, just because of my bad ears. And if I wait longer than that, I start getting pain.
I did. You can turn it back on.
It's okay.
I'm going to shut this so you can turn it back on.
Are mine the smallest pincher nails you've ever seen?
No.
Really?
Mm-mm.
With the catching on everything. It almost like lifted because of that tissue underneath it. It kind of lifts up to a point.
Mm-hmm.
So it kept on catching on everything. I couldn't take it any longer. I'd rather come back in 3.
Yeah, and then we can put the band of acrylic once we see how much the nail is flattening out. And I don't want you to wear polish. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications in case you are chosen as the winner in the random comment game.
The things I have is managed, you know?
I have some little silicone toe separators though that might help, because it'll spread your toes out a little bit.
Are they uncomfortable?
No, you can't even feel them.
You just wear them like, because I'll be honest with you, I just don't wear, I always have to be in my shoes.
Yeah,
So,
you put them on when,
At
and then
night?
you put your shoe on. No, you wear them all day.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know how that would feel with I don't know. I'm skeptical about that.
Well, you can try it, Mom, before you leave, and you can decide.
Just because my foot is getting used to my step, like all my ligaments in the top of my foot are getting used to that step.
How long has it been in there?
Well, I had my operation August of 2018, so it takes like 2 years for your ligaments and everything to get used to it. So I'm like limited on my shoes I can wear, and you know, while I'm in pain.
And what's its job?
It's a door stop. Instead of like if I have no arch and your arch is rolled over, I have this disease called PTTD. What it does is it holds up your arch like this.
Oh, okay.
Instead of my foot going like this.
Okay.
It holds it up.
Oh.
And instead of getting 8 screws on the office last year. So this year I'm getting carpet through the whole house because I can't live on wood floors. So, which we don't have wood floors, but I would get wood floors if I didn't have a foot problem. So I'm just replaced my carpet. It's turned out beautiful. I mean, it's not gaudy. It's pastels.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, my living room, not my living room, but my living room, my living room, my dining room, my hallway, the carpet's being replaced. And not just little baby ones. She gives me big samples. So I'm having I'll probably get them this week. I got my first 4 colors from Home Depot today. I haven't even unboxed them. They came right before I came here.
Okay.
So, and then I help her paint. So I'm gonna say the prep is 100% me and my husband doing the prep, and the painting I'm like 50%.
The cleanup is the worst.
It's the prep work takes you longest.
Yeah.
It takes you longest.
Hold on.
Sometimes you anticipate pain just because of past pain.
Right.
So you have any kids?
I have 2 teenage sons.
Okay. That'll keep you busy.
Yeah.
Do you live out here in Saline?
Yeah. I live really close. I live like 6 minutes away.
Okay.
I love being close to my business.
And how long have you been here?
This year will be 18 years. We opened in 2002.
Wow. So you guys were here when the recession hit and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Had to go through all that. And I don't know, I'm just starting to take pictures now, because you can go on an app, you can go on the Bear app, you can download your pictures, and then you can pick out colors, and then you can kind of like say, okay, how would that look, and then order the colors you think you want.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success, and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.